Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do another video on shadowing practice. I'm going to tell you what shadowing is, how to do it, what are the benefits of it, and I'm not just going to tell you how to do it, but I'm going to demonstrate you in this video and show you how it can be done. I'm going to read out a story to you and give pauses in between so that you can speak after me. There is already one video on my channel of a similar kind. I will leave the link in the description box below. Even in that video, I have narrated a story of my own. Likewise, even in this video, I have written an incident in my own words. It's a very interesting one, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In the previous video, the story that I had narrated is an emotional one, and in this video, it's a suspense story. You will get to see it later in the video. See, I had written this story in my college days. I got an inspiration from somewhere and then I wrote it in my own words. Today, I'm going to read out the same story to you so you can repeat after me. For those of you who do not know what shadowing is a method of practicing English speaking alone. You can practice this technique by yourself at your convenient time and wherever you want to. It's an excellent practice, especially for beginners, to initiate the act of speaking English and improving on several aspects like grammar, pronunciation, and accent. So, what you do in shadowing practice is you choose any video or audio of a good speaker who has good command over the language. You watch that video by pausing it every now and then and repeating after the speaker. It's as simple as that. You just keep pausing the video after every sentence and repeat whatever the speaker is saying. Also, how they are saying it. By how, I mean which words they are uh, putting pressure more on and how they are ending the sentence, the quality of the tone and voice. You have to tell the sentence exactly as the speaker tells. Basically, you have to follow them like a shadow. This method is excellent for people who do not have partners to practice or who want to practice speaking alone. For those of you who do not know where to start practicing speaking, and any learner who wants to either start or improve their English speaking skills. By regular practice of shadowing, you will see your English improve gradually. You will inculcate the same style, language, and accent of the speaker you chose to speak like. Make sure to be consistent in the practice and try to do it every single day, at least for 10 minutes. Even in this video, I have shared a story, so you can repeat after me and play this video whenever you want to so that you can practice the technique easily. Now that I have told you what shadowing is, how to do it, and what are the benefits of it, let's demonstrate it. Please sit down and practice after me. Okay, just listen and repeat. So, I've written down the story in my book. So, I will start reading to you and I'll give pauses in between so that it will be more comfortable for you to repeat after me. Okay, so it was a cloudy evening. The rain was anticipated any time. My parents had gone out and had strictly warned me not to open any doors and stay indoors till they return. I also knew that they were worried about my safety. But deep within, I wanted to open the balcony door to enjoy the weather. But I was scared. After a couple of minutes, I could smell petrichor. Petrichor is the nice earthy smell that we get when the first few drops of rain touch the dry soil. It smelled heavenly. I am sure many people love this smell. Slowly, it started pouring. I went a couple of times near the door, but was hesitant to open it. Finally, I decided to take the risk. I opened the door and went out. I held the rainwater in my hand and splashed it. I was enjoying the moment when suddenly I felt his presence. I got scared and went inside and closed the door. I had suffered a lot because of him in the past. I quickly dried myself. Then I realized I did a mistake by opening the door. As I could feel his presence inside the house. My parents came back. They asked if I'm okay as I looked perplexed. I nodded and went inside the room. I closed the room and tucked inside the bed. I knew he didn't care or wasn't afraid of anyone. I tried not to overthink and just sleep. But I could feel he was somewhere around me. I somehow slipped into sleep with these thoughts still running in my mind. In the morning, I woke up and went around as usual with my daily routine. I got ready and left to my college. I came out of house and after taking a few steps, I suddenly realized he was following me. I turned around but couldn't see him. I quickly paced to the bus stop. I realized he kept coming closer to me. I could feel that he was trying to touch me. I reached the bus stop and noticed that he was annoying other people in the bus stop too. I tried to ignore him. I felt relieved when the bus arrived, expecting to escape from him. I got into the bus, which was quite crowded. When the bus picked its pace, I could feel him come close to me again. I already told you he wasn't afraid of anyone. I couldn't control my anger anymore. So I took a deep breath and, at the right time, when he came close to me, I turned back and hit him hard. So hard that he collapsed immediately. People in the bus were staring at me, but I felt that I had done the right thing. So the practice ends here. What do you think happened next? Was I punished? Did he stop his nuisance? What happened to him? Take a minute and think and tell me in the comments. Now that you have practiced speaking, now practice thinking about the story and give a climax to the story in your own words. Write it in the comments. In that way, you can practice both thinking and writing in English. I will reply in the comments what happened, but I would love to hear the creative genius in you and would love to hear what your thoughts and imagination are. So head to the comment right now. I will reply to the first comment that gives me the correct answer and pin that comment. So keep guessing. Before that, please like the video for the effort taken. Subscribe to the channel. Share the story with your friends and get to know their ideas as well. I will see you soon in another one. Take care and bye till then.